Helen's Kitchen. Today we will be doing Mapo Tofu. So here I have 500 grams of silken tofu that I have cut into 1 cm cubes. And I have here 120 grams of minced pork, which I've marinated with 2 teaspoons of Shaoxing wine, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of ginger minced, half a tablespoon of sesame oil, and half a teaspoon of chili flakes. Here I have 2 spring onions that I've sliced, and then here is 100 grams of water. Here we have 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, 2 tablespoons of black bean sauce, half a tablespoon of minced garlic, half a tablespoon of minced ginger, and here I have half a tablespoon of Sichuan pepper that I have grounded with a mortar and pestle, and here is 1 teaspoon of sugar. Heat up 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, and then add in the ginger and the garlic. Saute it until it's fragrant. So once it's aromatic, add in the minced pork. Once the meat has changed color, add in the black bean sauce and the Sichuan peppercorns. Then add in the white part of the spring onion and stir. And add the chili flakes. Then you add the tofu. The water. Gently stir it. Bring it to a ball. Add in the soy sauce and the sugar. Stir. Lower the heat and let it simmer for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, add in the green part of the spring onion and stir the 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of water. Make sure that the cornstarch is dissolved before you put it in, and then let it simmer till the sauce thickens. The sauce has thickened and you can turn off the heat.